Yo, what's going on everybody? Carter Payne back with another video, and today we're going to be working on Barney, doing a couple little things. The valve cover gasket.
Yeah, so that's like not that small.
We're doing, yeah, that is a pretty big job actually. Valve cover gasket. And we're also doing a bunch of little stuff like the parking brake. That's what we're trying to figure out right now. And we're just doing like a bunch of stuff to Barney right now. It's early in the morning, we have time. Sorry for my hair being crazy. You guys know the vibe. But anyways, Kayla's here. She's slumped. Hi, Kayla.
Carter thought it was gonna be like a problem with the actual handbrake. So it's actually interesting. It's a 14mm bolt back here behind the hub. And then once you take that bolt off, which is somewhere in here, then towards the driver. So if you turn it towards like the front of the car like that, then it tightens the cable. And ours was doing literally nothing.
Yeah, like literally,
so we
could drive it with it straight up and it wouldn't do anything.
Yeah, so we didn't know if it was just like super loose and the guy didn't know what he was doing, or if it was like messed up. But that's a good sign. So
yeah,
try it now. See, can you spin the hub? The handbrake does both wheels.
It does.
It's supposed to, right?
No, I think it only does one wheel.
Okay, then we're
do that wheel?
Yeah.
But then how are we gonna
we have to get a hydro.
do a caliper bracket? But no, so really I'm gonna tighten it a little more. It's really easy to spin now.
Yeah, you definitely did something.
Here, rip the e-brake, watch. So I can spin it.
No, you can't.
Now put it back down. Nothing. And now I can spin it.
Nice. Hi.
Yeah, we got the car jacked up. I just tightened the handbrake. Now I'm gonna ratchet it down just a little bit. Tighten this down, put the wheel back on, and probably go rip a couple, 80-mile-an-hour entries? Backies? You're just like shaking your head. Why? Dude, why?
Entries.
Why?
It's pretty fast.
Take a nap, yeah.
Can you go grab me a water, please? Thank you.
Okay, but actually, wheels are so hard to get off. Dude, this is so difficult.
Is it on? Throw it.
There, it's on. Oh, sick. Am I gonna sit in that?
All right, now we're just currently working them all down. See if Connor's master parking brake job worked.
It needs to be tighter. We already really.
I'm gonna say it's not going to work, but is it in first?
No, it's in neutral.
Okay, well, she do be vibing.
Are you kidding me?
You just break it?
Clean off.
That's why you don't get Costco shit, bruh.
What do you mean? That was yours that broke.
That was mine.
That's what I just said.
God damn it.
Did you get
Look
that?
at that. Completely
It's not
off.
my fault.
No, I'm not. I have another one. Do a donut, do a donut. Should I tell him to do a burnout? Should I do a burnout? We're in a little bit of a dilemma. We can't get this out. So now we're just torquing them down. Nothing.
Absolutely nothing.
So we were back, changed shirts because I was getting hot. And now we're about to do the valve cover. I think we just got to take these off right there. That hose, all these 10 mils, a couple shit in the back, and then we're chilling. Please, I love doing this type of shit.
Hey, you gotta take that hose clamp off. Wait, what is this? Oh, are we gonna spray paint it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Like this side, like inversely. So flip it right now, right? Flip it. Oh, that looks good. That does look good. Oh my god.
So while Connor's working on making this clean, so Connor's gonna do that and I'm gonna work on the heat shield. Kayla's working on the valve cover, cleaning it off with something soft because we're trying not to scratch it. Yo.
That's it. Okay, but that's cool. Actually, like, imagine you're in a shop and you're like, oh, I need a broom. And it's just like up here 24/7. And then you go,
I'll get the fire slow-mo of this.
It's running down because we're on a driveway right now. But I need to light this before it. There we go.
So now we're just gonna lay down a couple of coats. Okay, we have the first couple of coats of the paint down for the valve cover, the wrinkle red. And now we're just waiting for that one to dry. Connor's still working on that heat shield.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
So we have the second layer down. All right, so now Connor's laying down the third coat.
There's a lot of dirt and spots you can see, and then there's a lot of like grime on the outside that we didn't finish cleaning, and it doesn't look the best, but it looks pretty good. It looks better than before for sure.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna take a quick break. So far, he's still not off. Connor is fucking pissed because it looks bad.
Yeah, I think it looks horrible, honestly.
So anyways, we're back working on the valve cover. Okay, so now we really just have to lay the gasket maker over this part on the corners just to make sure it has a nice tight seal. The last thing we want is just for it to put it back on, new cover in, and start leaking again. And so that's why we're doing all this.
Because the wrinkle only looks good if the rest of the car isn't red. So, that'll be after. You're kind of getting me like not aware that we're literally putting the valve cover on right now.
Yeah, I know. Hold on, I need to do something.
What? We gotta set it on top. Alright, it's on, it's on. Valve cover, bolts, torques. Hey, can I call back in 2 minutes?
There's a diagram for which ones to do first, which torque order. I'm gonna do this semi-correct, guys.
Because this is what, when people don't do it in the right order, that's what makes your gasket come, like, that's what makes you have a bad seal with your gasket.
That's pretty bad, actually.
Did that just snap the bolts?
Yeah.
Bro, that's 60 foot-pounds of torque.
Unscrew it.
It's set up to 74.
Not if I can step on it.
Yeah, that's it.
Perfect. Cool. So they're all torqued down. Now we're just gonna put in the distributor wires. If it works, hopefully it will. All right, now we're gonna see if it works.
Okay. What did he do?
Okay, and that was honestly a great fix. That fixed everything. So paint was kind of bad, guys, but honestly, that's just kind of how it is. But I think that's gonna be about it for the episode. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Next episode should be doing the door cards. And as always, if you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe, and just check out my channel for more stuff. And all my social media is CarterPayne12, all one word. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.
You knew this. Gold teeth like I'm toothless. Yeah, I've been running from these dreams. I've been running from my past. On my paper coming sheets, at least I'm running to the back. Drop top.